Okay.
Most popular words. Popular words. Popular.
Or just, I use the word butt fuck all the time. No.
In today's episode, I want to teach you one of the most used words in the English language. And here's a hint, it's not the word the. Let's check it out. What's going on YouTube? My name is Vaughn and this channel is Fluency, where we teach you tips and tricks about English that you wouldn't normally learn in the classroom. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you a word that seems really simple but has over 400 different meanings. And that word is get. G-E-T. Get. It seems like a small word and it's only 3 letters, but it has over 400 different definitions and we use it all the time. So let's get into it. So the first usage of the word get is meaning to go out or to go somewhere. In a sentence, it can sound like, hey, get in the car, or hey, get out, which is also a movie, and if you haven't seen it, I suggest that you do. There's another phrase that can be kind of confusing. It's an expression, and that's get out of here. Get out of here can literally mean just go away. But get out of here as an expression can mean that, I don't believe you, or I think you're joking. So for example, if somebody tells me Tupac is still alive, and I respond, get out of here, that basically means I don't believe you, you're joking, you're kidding. So the second usage of the word get is to obtain something. Now, in a sentence, that can sound like this. Did you get the new iPhone? Did you obtain the new iPhone? Or it could be something like, hey, I really want to get those new Jordans. You see how obtain and get, it's interchangeable. It just makes it a lot easier in conversation. The third usage of the word get that I want to discuss is change of state. That whatever you are now, we're going to use the word get to maybe change what you are. So usually it's used for excitement, like let's get crazy, right? Let's get excited. Or you could be like Vic, the one, and you can get silly, get silly. So this next usage of the word get is for retrieval or trying to retrieve something. A sentence could be, hey, can you go get me a drink? Can you go retrieve a drink for me? Or, hey, go get the door. Go retrieve the person at the door. Or it could be something like, did you get the mail? Did you retrieve the mail from the mailbox? Pretty simple, but also it just makes things a little easier in conversation. The next usage of the word get that I want to discuss is for receiving. So, did you get my gift? Did you receive my gift that I sent you? Or did you get my message? More like, did you get my message? Like genuine. Any of those work. Basically, you're replacing receiving for the word get. The next usage of the word get is for ordering. Ordering food or just ordering something from a store. In a sentence, can I get the Happy Meal? Can I order or can I please have the Happy Meal? Now, in a context for dinner, you've ever been in a situation where the table next to you orders something really, really good, and then you tell the person that you're at dinner with, ooh, I'll get that. Ooh, I'll order that. It's simple, but again, interchangeable. The next usage of the word get is for understanding. A sentence that you could use is, oh, you really get me. Another one is, oh, I get it. Could literally mean, oh, I understand that. So if somebody's telling you a joke and it seems a bit confusing at first, but at the end you understand the punchline, you can say, oh, I get it. Now, this usage of the word get is for arriving. When will you arrive at a certain place or at a certain time? When do you think you'll get there? When do you think you'll arrive there? Another one is, I'll get there in 10 minutes, meaning I will arrive in 10 minutes. Another one could be, they never get here on time. They never arrive on time. So for this usage of the word get, it means managing or how you're handling something. It can be, personal to you, like I'm going through a breakup, but it's okay, I'll get over it. Meaning I'll handle it or I'll manage it and I'll be better eventually. Another one, a famous song by Talib Kweli, Just to Get By. He's basically saying he's doing everything he can just to manage, just to handle. And that could be life, that could be love, that could be work. Another example could be financial. Someone ever asks you, hey, how much money do you make? You can respond, I get by, I manage, or I'm handling it. Now, this usage of the word get is to achieve a goal. Hey, we gotta get this place cleaned up. So get means we have to achieve, and then the goal is cleaning this place up. This usage of the word get is for paying for something. For example, if you're at dinner with your significant other's parents, you want to pay for it because you want to show them that you're financially stable and you can provide for that person, hopefully. The sentence you would use is, oh no, I'll get this. It means I'll pay for it. Now another one, you get one friend that never has money and they'll say something like this, oh, I'm really low on cash. Can you get this for me?
This.
There you go, get funky. This example of the word get is for waking up. I know it sounds weird, but in a sentence, it makes more sense. So it could sound something like this. What time did you get up this morning? Literally meaning, what time did you wake up this morning? Another one is that friend that always sleeps in and is a night owl. Yeah, she gets up at the crack of noon. She only usually wakes up around 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, if you have any ideas or any examples where you think you can use get in another sentence, again, leave them in the comments below. We're going to go through the comments and pick out some of our favorite ones and maybe highlight them on the next episode. This last one, no.
Yeah.
So that's about it for the word get. I hope you learned something. I hope you have a better understanding of the word get. If you think that we should do another video on this, let us know in the comments below. Now remember to like, share, and subscribe. The like button is great if you felt like you learned something. Make sure to hit the bell icon for notifications so you never miss out on any of our videos. And we'll see you next time.